In this section we look at some standard questions using integration. In the first question we are given the first derivative, dy dx, of two different functions and we are asked to integrate them. In other words, we need to find the original function y in each case. So pause the video and have a go at these two questions, and the answers to the two parts are given below. So in the first question we're given dy dx, which is the first derivative, or the slope, is equal to 2x cubed minus 4x squared plus 3, and we need to find y. Now to do this we integrate both sides, and if we integrate dy dx we get y. Integrate x cubed, we add 1 to the power and divide by the new power, which gives us 2 over 4 times x to the power of 4. Integrate x squared, we get x cubed over 3, and integrate 3 times x to the power of 0, we get 3 times x. And we add the constant c to give the indefinite integral. So the final solution is y is equal to 1/2 times x to the 4 minus 4 over 3 times x cubed plus 3 times x plus a constant. In part 2, we're given the slope dy dx, or the first derivative, is equal to the square root of x. Now we can write the square root of x as x to the power of 1/2. And we're trying to get y, so we integrate both sides. And when we integrate dy dx, we get y. Integrate x to the power of 1/2, we add 1 onto the power. So add 1, which is 2 over 2 to 1/2, gives us x to the power of 3 over 2, and we divide by 3 over 2. And 1 over 3 over 2 is the same as 2 over 3. So y is equal to 2 over 3 times x to the power of 3 over 2 plus c, and this is the indefinite solution. Now here are some standard integrals which you need to know. When you integrate cos of ax with respect to x, you get 1 over a times sine of ax plus a constant. When you integrate sine of ax with respect to x, you get minus 1 over a cos of ax plus c. When you integrate the exponential function e to the power of ax with respect to x, you get 1 over a times e to the power of ax plus a constant. And finally, when you integrate 1 over x, you get log of x plus c. So here's another question that you can try. In part 1, you're asked to integrate the function 2 times x to the power of 4 minus 1 over x squared. And in part 2, you're asked to integrate the function e to the power of 3x. And the answer to the two parts is given below. So once again, pause the video and try the questions. So we could rewrite 2 times x to the power of 4 minus 1 over x squared by dividing each of the numerators by x squared. So 2 times x to the 4 over x squared is just 2 times x squared, and dividing minus 1 by x squared, we get minus 1 over x squared. So we could rewrite this as follows. So we now need to integrate this function. So as before, add 1 onto the power and divide by the new power gives 2 over 3 times x cubed. And adding 1 onto minus 2 gives minus 1, and dividing by minus 1 gives the following. And minus by minus 1 is plus 1, and x to the power of minus 1 is 1 over x. So the integral of this expression is 2 over 3 x cubed plus 1 over x plus c. In part 2, we're asked to integrate the exponential function e to the power of 3x. And if you remember, e to the power of ax integrated is 1 over a times e to the power of ax. So in this case, a is 3, so the answer is 1 over 3 e to the power of 3x plus a constant. In this example, we're asked to integrate 5 times cos 3x. So we're asked to integrate 5 times cos of 3x with respect to x. Now in this case we can take the 5 outside the integration sign to give the following. And if you remember, when we integrate cos of ax with respect to x, we get 1 over a times sine of ax plus c. So applying the rule in this case, a is 3, so we get 5 over 3 sine of 3x plus a constant. So here are some questions that you could try. So once again, pause the video and have a go at these questions.